Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to make Firefox always ask you where to save files on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select settings option. In the Firefox settings, select general in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to find this one Files and Applications section. Here you will find this one option always ask you where to save file. Check this option to enable this one option, and in case you will uncheck this one option, Firefox will download the files in the default download locations on your Windows 11 or 10 PC.